Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add a signature in Gmail. So firstly, let's open Gmail application on our device. Then you need to go to the menu by clicking these three horizontal lines in your upper left corner, and then scroll until you see settings. And scroll down and choose signature settings. If this option is disabled, you need to enable it by moving this slider to the right. And here you need to enter your custom signature. For example, it could be your name, job title, contact info, or something else. For example, and then when you're done entering your signature, you just need to save it by clicking done button. So that's how you add a signature to your Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.